Lead tapestry unraveling the multifaceted beauty of the Gold Coast. To speak of the Gold Coast is to invoke a new that promises grandeur. A title gilded with the suggestion of sun-kissed prosperity and a shoreline of impossible allure, yet to reduce its beauty to the postcard perfect tableau of sun, sand, and surf is to overlook the profound, multifaceted splendor that defines this Australian jewel. The true beauty of the Gold Coast is a complex, living tapestry woven from threads of elemental power, vibrant urban energy, serene natural heavens, and a luminous, ever-changing atmosphere. It is a beauty that is at once exhilarating and tranquil, a symphony composed in a major key, played against the rhythmic percussion of the Pacific. The most immediate and undeniable aspect of its charm is its littoral magnificence. The Gold Coast is first and foremost a kingdom of the coast, and its crown jewel is an uninterrupted 57-kilometer stretch of golden silica sand that feels like powdered sunlight beneath one's feet. This is not a passive shoreline, it is a dynamic, breathing entity. The turquoise expanse of the Pacific Ocean doesn't merely lap at its edges, it engages in a perpetual hypnotic dance. Waves sculpted by distant weather systems rise in great azure walls before dissolving into a effervescent lacework of foam that races up the incline of the beach. Air is thick with the beach. The air is thick with the invigorating scent of salt and the faint mineral tang of sea spray and olfactory tonic that cleanses the spirit. At dawn, the horizon bleeds with a watercolor palette of rose gold, lavender, as day surrenders to dusk, the sun becomes a great spluttering orb dipping into the sea and setting the sky ablaze in a final pyrotechnic display, while the silhouettes of surfers become outs against the fiery canvas. This coastline is a city's pulsating heart, a place of communal celebration, solitary reflection, and raw, untamed nature. Rising like a phoenix from this aqueous playground is the urban symphony of surfers' paradise and its hinterland of skyscrapers. Yet, just beyond this glittering facade lies a world of an entirely different character, the Antipodean verdure of the hinterland. A short journey inland transports one from the coastal dazzle into the profound ancient embrace of the Gondwana rainforest. Here, the air is cool, heavy with the patrichor of damp earth and the sweet perfume of decaying vegetation. The light, so bold and direct on the beach, become a tepid, filtered entity, struggling through a dense canopy of prehistoric ferns and towering fig trees. The beauty here is one of primeval grandeur and serene majesty. Walking among these ancient sentinels, their trunks thick with moss and the roots scraping the earth like giant gnarled fingers, is a humbling experience. This is Australia of eons past, a living relic of a time when continents were one. The soundscape shifts from the roar of the ocean to the melodic chorus and